We are given three reactions. We are asked to find out qualitatively in which case the change in entropy would favor the reaction. Entropy S is a measure of randomness or disorder. If order increases, if the system is more ordered, entropy decreases. In a spontaneous process, the system goes from a greater order to greater randomness, and therefore for a spontaneous process delta S is positive. Other things remaining the same, positive delta S indicates a spontaneous process. Delta S is given by entropy of products minus entropy of reactants. A decrease in entropy is given by a negative sign for delta S. In A, we find two molecules react and produce one molecule. More number of molecules mean more randomness. When two molecules become one molecule, randomness decreases, and therefore entropy decreases. This means delta S is negative. As given by entropy, the reaction is not favorable. But ultimately, we may find the reaction is spontaneous because entropy is not the only factor controlling the spontaneity of a process. In the second, we have cyclopropene becoming propene. Cyclopropene is a ring system and propene is acyclic. A ring is more rigid. That means it has greater order. When a cyclic system becomes an acyclic system, there is a slight increase in randomness. Though we have one molecule producing one molecule, we find a cyclic system becomes an acyclic system, and therefore delta S is positive. In third, we have two ionic species giving two molecules, neutral species. We have two on the left side and two on the right side. There is no change in the number. But ions are more solvated by the solvent, and there is a greater degree of order in a system containing ions. But the neutral molecules are less solvated, and there is a greater degree of randomness, and therefore delta S is positive for reaction 3.